can't describe it. It's wonderful.
When you accelerate, it's that roar that comes with it.
Morning everyone.
Morning.
We've come out for a cup of coffee.
We have, and a piece of cake.
And a piece of cake.
Oh, yes.
Come to Triumph.
Yeah.
Famous for motorbikes, isn't it?
Not that we know anything about motorbikes,
No.
but we do know a little bit about cake. So, so let's get in there. Come on, let's go and see.
Come join us.
Go, what we got? Look at this. Here we are. We've got carrot cake.
No, coffee and walnut. Here's the bacon roll.
So set just off the A5 at Hinckley is this Triumph factory, where you can do a tour of the factory. If you're into that kind of thing, they do tours every day. In fact, we just asked if we just arrived for one, but we haven't. We've come for a nice little bacon sandwich, a nice little piece of cake in this lovely cafe. Let's take you for a look round.
You can get on this.
No.
Go on.
Oh, this could be the most undignified thing I've ever done. And I've done a few undignified things. Actually, it's quite easy to get on. Easier than it looks. Wow. Brilliant, eh? Absolutely beautiful.
Now for the dismount.
Yeah, now I've got to get off. Now,
Now you got to get off.
oh,
Don't do a damage.
let's have a look around the museum. There we go, just a very quick video today. We don't know anything about motorbikes, so there's no point in us saying a lot really, but well worth a visit.
If you like your motorbikes, yes, please come and visit.
Even if you don't even if you're not that into motorbikes, like we're not, it's well worth a visit. And when you walk around that museum, you can't help being impressed by some of those incredible machines. Look, even if you're not into motorbikes, the worst thing that can happen is you get a nice bit of cake. So yeah, just well worth a visit.
Anyway, thanks for watching.
Let's get gone.
See you again.
See you next time.